Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with step number 8 for setting yourself up for a successful 2019. So hopefully now you've got a bit of an idea of your goals, what you want to achieve, who you want to be and become in the process. So today we're going to simplify it. So even if you haven't done some of the steps, you can do this one. I want you to imagine that you're standing out on December the 31st, 2019. And out of everything you want to achieve in your life, you picked the one most important. There's just one thing that you focused on and you achieved it. What would it be? And as you stand there, imagine having achieved it. Have a look around you and see what else has happened in your life because you absolutely committed to this particular goal and you achieved it. The thing is, you'll probably notice that most other things you want have also happened because you committed 100% to this goal. And as you stand there, ask yourself, what is the lens that you need to view the world through? What quality do you need to embrace? So how do you need to be in the way that you show up to ensure you achieve this goal? It could be consistent, disciplined, focused, strategic, whatever it is for you. It might be one of the ones you did yesterday, or it could be something else. And then I want you to commit 100% that this is the major focus for 2019. The lens that you're going to view this through is that word that you will embrace, which will absolutely ensure that you do whatever it takes to get this goal because you are 100% committed. Because commitment and being 100% committed on making that decision is probably the most important step. So have some fun with it, get excited, write it down, and tomorrow we will get into a little bit more detailed planning. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.